Erection plan changes can cost as much as $4,000 per hour. Cranes waiting. Labor waiting. Trucks waiting. Storage expenses increase. Snappii offers Precast Erectors Planner app. By making quick decisions and avoiding unnecessary expenses, the app can save up to $4,000 per hour, says Mark McGee from Coors Lab, Texas. Load erection sequence. Automatically fill out a 4-day look-ahead for delivery dates and times. Helps foreman coordinate his work and turn in daily reports on time. Dispatch department and loading department know exactly how many loads they need to send. Automatically calculate how many pieces are erected in a day. Everyone is instantly notified of plan changes. Make quick decisions. Get daily and project reports to save money on time. Contact us to see a demo and activate a 30-day free trial. Support@snappii.com. 888-707-6633.